Today I will try to explain sequential game in a very easy way for economic students. So here we can see that wife is the first mover. So in the sequential game, anyone has been considered as a first mover. Now the wife is choosing either football or opera. Player 2, the husband, moves second and choosing football or opera after seeing the player 1's choice. The payoff is number of outcomes. The first number represents the husband's payoff and the second is the wife. So we can see that both chooses football, the payoffs are 1, 3, and both chooses opera. Obviously the wife likes it, the husband doesn't. If they fail to coordinate, one goes for football and other, then the payoff is 0, 0. So the game reflects a classic coordination problem where both the players prefer to be together but have different preferences. So solving using the backward induction, we can see that the husband best response, knowing the wife's choice, is that if the wife chooses football and the husband must decide, so football 1, 3 best choice, opera 0, 0 not optimal, and husband's best response is a football. If the wife chooses opera, then the husband must decide football, okay, 0, 0, or opera 3, 1 best choice, so husband goes for opera. Step 2 is the wife's decision. The wife anticipates that if she picks football, the husband will also pick football. So the payoff is 1, 3. And if she picks opera, the husband will also pick opera. So the payoff is 3, 1. Since she moves first, she has the power to choose the final outcome. So in the Nash equilibrium, we can say the subgame perfect equilibrium more than 1. So that is a football, that is a payoff is 1, 3, or opera, which is 3, 1. Both are subgame perfect Nash equilibrium. So the main idea of this thing is that coordination problem, first mover advantage which the wife gets here, and two possible equilibrium here, one both football and opera. And the real world application is that this applies to scenarios like joint decision making in partnerships or companies' decision on industry standards as well. There's a parallel scenario I have also shown with player 1, first confesses and non-confession. In this way you can get the full understanding. Thanks for watching Dr. Saurabh's classes.